Mushrooms are pretty cool, right? These fascinating fungi come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, adding a touch of magic to the forest floor. They pop up in forests like hidden treasures, often concealed under leaves or nestled in the moss. Each discovery feels like uncovering a secret of nature. Foraging for them is like a treasure hunt. Imagine wandering through the woods, basket in hand, eyes scanning the ground for those telltale caps. This guide will help you start finding these tasty treasures yourself. Whether you're a seasoned forager or a complete beginner, there's always something new to learn. We'll cover everything from finding the best mushroom spots to staying safe while you forage. Safety is crucial, as some mushrooms can be toxic. This guide is for beginners. We'll introduce you to the basics, like identifying common edible mushrooms and understanding their habitats. We'll keep it simple and fun. Foraging can be a delightful activity to share with friends and family, turning a walk in the woods into an adventure. Ready to become a mushroom expert? Let's get started. With a bit of knowledge and a keen eye, you'll soon be discovering the magic of mushrooms on your own. Want to find mushrooms? Timing is everything. Fall is usually the best time to go hunting. The weather is cool and damp, perfect for mushrooms. Look for mushrooms in forests. They love growing near trees, but be careful where you forage. Avoid polluted areas like roadsides. Mushrooms absorb stuff from the ground, and you don't want to eat anything bad. Before you head out, make sure you have the right gear. A basket is perfect for carrying your finds. Gloves will protect your hands. A knife helps you harvest the mushrooms carefully. Most importantly, bring a mushroom guidebook. This will help you identify edible mushrooms. You can also use apps on your phone. Identifying mushrooms is super important. Some mushrooms are delicious, others not so much. Some can even make you sick. Start with common edible mushrooms. Learn what they look like. Then learn about their toxic lookalikes. These are mushrooms that look similar but are poisonous. Never eat a mushroom unless you are 100% sure it's safe. If you're unsure, ask an expert. Section 5. Safety first when foraging for fungi. Safety is the most important thing when foraging for mushrooms. When you step into the forest, you are entering a world full of both delicious and dangerous fungi. It's crucial to be well prepared and knowledgeable. Remember, some mushrooms are poisonous. They can look very similar to edible varieties, making it easy to mistake one for the other. Always carry a reliable field guide or use a trusted app to help identify mushrooms. Never eat anything you're not 100% sure about. If you have any doubts, it's better to leave the mushroom behind. Consult with local experts or join a foraging group to learn from experienced foragers. When trying a new mushroom for the first time, start with a small amount. This is a precautionary measure to ensure that you don't have an adverse reaction. Even edible mushrooms can cause allergies in some people. This way, if you have an allergic reaction, it won't be as bad. Monitor your body's response carefully and be ready to seek medical help if necessary. Always cook your mushrooms before eating them. Raw mushrooms can contain harmful compounds that are broken down during the cooking process. Cooking also enhances the flavor and texture of the mushrooms. Cooking helps break down any harmful compounds. Additionally, it makes the mushrooms more digestible and can help eliminate any potential bacteria or parasites. Enjoy your foraging adventures, but always prioritize safety to ensure a delightful and safe experience. Section 6, from forest to table, cleaning, cooking and storing. You've found some delicious mushrooms, now what? The journey from forest to table involves a few crucial steps to ensure your wild mushrooms are both delicious and safe to eat. First, clean them gently with a brush or damp cloth. This helps remove any dirt or debris without damaging the delicate texture of the mushrooms. Avoid using too much water, as mushrooms are like sponges and can easily become waterlogged. Don't soak them in water, they'll become soggy. Next, cook them thoroughly. You can saute them in a bit of butter or oil to bring out their rich, earthy flavors. Roasting them in the oven can also enhance their natural sweetness and add a delightful crispiness, or add them to soups and stews. Mushrooms can add depth and umami to any dish, making them a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. Cooking brings out their flavor and makes them safe to eat. Proper cooking is essential, as some wild mushrooms can be toxic if not prepared correctly. Always ensure they are cooked thoroughly to enjoy their full flavor and nutritional benefits. Want to save some mushrooms for later? You can dry them or freeze them. Drying mushrooms is a great way to preserve their flavor and extend their shelf life. Simply place them on a drying rack in a well-ventilated area. Alternatively, you can freeze them by spreading them on a baking sheet before transferring them to airtight containers. This way, you can enjoy your foraged treasures long after the season has ended. Section 7. Respecting nature while you forage. Foraging is fun, but it's important to be respectful of nature. Only pick what you need. Leave some mushrooms behind for others to enjoy. Try not to disturb the forest floor too much. Mushrooms play an important role in the ecosystem. Let's keep our forests healthy. Section 8. Keep exploring the world of mushrooms. Congratulations on your first steps into the world of mushroom foraging. It's a rewarding hobby that connects you with nature and provides delicious food. Remember to keep learning. There's always more to discover about mushrooms, and most importantly, have fun. For more tips, tricks, and tasty mushroom recipes, subscribe to Fun with Fungi.